how's it going, YouTube? So that's how I get the morning started for a testing tune. That's the normal load up. For the events, it'd be even more stuff. But anyway, I'm on my way to the testing tune spot. Gonna meet Benji, supposedly Omar's coming out. Got a few new faces. Charlie's gonna come out. Sammy gonna bring the Nitro. Gonna set up the DTS, get some 132 feet in. I'm not too far away, so y'all stay tuned. Testing tune today. Let's get it. Oh, shout out to my boy Coach D. He out there testing too. Been hitting me up on Instagram back and forth. So shout out to you, and shout out to UDRC as well for tuning into the live last night. Appreciate y'all. I might go live. I'm not sure yet. So let's just get there. Hopefully the ground dries up. As y'all see, it's still damp from the rain. So if not, we'll just wait around and see if that dries up. If not, we'll go to a new spot. So you guys stay tuned. All right, guys. This is what most of the roads look like. This is one of my speed run roads. But this is what most of the roads out here look like. They're kind of damp. So I'm in search of a dry road. So that's what we're on the hunt for. So once we get that, I'll get back to you. All right, guys. Finished setting up. We got Benji out. Got Charlie. Got Sammy. Got myself. Alright, so one of my reflectors was broken, so we had to borrow a reflector off of that truck over there. We put it back when we finished, but for now we needed to borrow that so we could get the tuning. Got my boy Benji out here messing with that Nitro. Benji, oh yeah, let me show y'all this. Watch out, Ben. Let me go ahead and show the people what's going on. So Benji run this thing in a giveaway. Snap-on, Traxxas, Rally. Let's get a little look around on that thing. He might run it for us today, we'll see. Got Sammy out there adjusting. He's trying to get that thing dialed in for the 132. Oh, he got a H-scale out now. Okay. Testing and tuning. Got a few cars out, and y'all seen me loading up this morning. Not even sure which one I'm gonna test. They messing with the Nitros right now. Probably bring out the Slash and the Nitro and go from there. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Yeah, keep going up till you see both of these lights on. Keep going. Don't be afraid. Push it up. There you go. Look. Keep going. You're gonna see the lights come on. Wait for that light to go down and hit green. There you go. Go. All right, let's see what you did. So you did 47 miles an hour, you did a 3.3. That's not bad. Push it up till you see those lights. There you go. Just wait until that green. Nice. Let's see what he did.
A little whippy on the takeoff of this engine.
Yeah, put that big block and they be ready. 46 miles an hour at 3.3.
3.3 again?
Yeah. I noticed consistent at 3.3 for sure. There you go. You good. Just watch the lights. Nitro. My boy, he's tested it. He's tested it. First time out with that new build right there.
What I run?
It's good to go.
What the hell?
It cashes you out. Oh, not the pretty body. There you go. Sammy's tree in the tree. I see you. Let me see your reaction time on that one. And you is tree in the tree. 3.5 at 45.
45.
But he treeing that tree. Reaction time.
better.
Yeah. 3-2.
48.
Yep. Sammy Nitro waking up.
That fucking engine's got no takeoff, so that one's gonna be lower. 48, 3-2 still though.
Sammy came out here to give Electric a run for their money. Benji, do your thing, Benji. Yeah, deep stage, you good. You're good, you're good.
I didn't get to
You got his ass. I think I'm gonna smoke y'all. Come back, Benji. Yeah, oh, there you go. You good.
Yeah. Hey. You know what happened? Red light.
You real it?
Yeah.
Woo, Sammy did a wheelie. Hey, Benji, it was going right. It just pulled a little bit. It was going, though. It was going. Ready.
Hey, I just turned the basically.
Sammy picking on the electric cars.
Get my baby out.
Yeah, so that's spinning.
Give me a problem right now for that. Yeah. And I mean, that's great. Don't stop. Keep on.
I gotta turn the power down. That's just kicking in the big end.
Definitely going easy on the takeoff, huh?
Yeah, got to. I mean, I could
51, 2.8.
I could come out harder. I'll turn it down real quick. Come out a bit harder.
Or you're gonna go out of control like fucking everybody else.
Nah.
Hell no, that thing's safe.
I got it down. Still working out. Ooh. Talk to me, Benji. How's she looking? I'm about to get a new set of them tires. Came out a little too late though. Look at it in the big end. One of the cheapest class I'm into, baby. Huh?
What?
I said this is one of the cheapest classes I'm into. Damn, I lost
That's a 2.5. Yeah, I sent you the pictures last time.
Damn, that's a... All right, guys, so listen, I got some very bad news from Omar. Omar said he's moving to Florida on us. He's leaving New England. Oh, man, he's leaving next month, too. Oh, man. You burn him out, bro. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Let's see if it just get down through there. That's all we want to see. Still spinning.
I think it's only got like a 13 or a 14 belt. No, 13.
This was Sammy brung out for my 8th scale Nitro. Brung out another 8th scale. Oh, hold on, let me set it up first. Hold on. It's ready. It's ready. said
I
blink.
gotta check. I gotta check, but I think I have a toothpick.
I got the RS4 for him. I'm coming.
Nice.
$2.7.
Only 49.
Definitely hit nice right there. I went fucking back. I went back. My bad.
That's alright. I had a slow takeoff. It filled up like a bastard. I probably gotta lean out my
Just a touch.
Yep.
But yeah, I started. You good? Right on, man. I was fast.
Shot to the left a little bit on me.
2.8. Lot better. Both lanes? Shit, right there.
Both lanes you want?
Yeah. My boy Sammy's an expert.
Well, they make it easy enough.
You coming in?
Yeah. My shit was going to the...
I turned that up too much.
I think you just wanted to win more because you were racing against somebody.
Yeah.
I'm pulling. Trying to figure out which way. You see?
2.8, 21 miles an hour. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I mean, I let off. I seen Benji coming in my lane.
Starting.
Turn my brake up. Just slow it down.
Holy shit. You're spinning like a bastard.
Me?
You hear him?
Oh, no, that's the metal gearing.
That sounds like spinning. Maybe I'm hearing things. 3.0, 48, 2.3, 45.
See, at 2.3, but only at 45 because I let off. Now to the left.
Ooh.
Nice pass, Benji.
Come on. There we go. 3.0 on Benji again. 47, 2.1, 67.
Alright, guys, I'm letting off in the big end because I know I ain't got enough shutdown room and I ain't trying to mess up my damn car. I gotta fix that pulling like that. Watch, I'll get it down there right now. 2.3.
3, 43.
Shut up whenever you want. You hit that. Hold up. Try it again. Good to go. Now you on stage, you want to see those lights look like that. Everything right here should look blue. Keep going till you see it. Keep going. There you go. You're perfect. Now what you want to keep your deep stage. Reset it. Well, don't worry about it. It's a walkthrough. It's a learning process. You'll get it. Don't be afraid to go in. Go all the way up till you see all the lights. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. You're good. Watch the lights drop. Alright, y'all, it's pretty cold out. We just trying to make it down there. Doing a lot of tuning too. Don't worry about it. We've been doing a lot of tuning just so we could get down there. So let's see if we can make it happen. Probably 40 degrees out. Got Sammy over there running the Nitro. Sammy only runs Nitro. My battery must be dead. That was slow. (3-1) at 50. And look how slow it was going. I just turned it up. I'm gonna see if the battery's dead. You in the beef?